How to sign up on NanoBanana.AI. Today we are diving into how to easily create your account on NanoBanana.AI. Ready to get this started? First things first, open any web browser. Let's use Chrome for now. On the search bar, search for NanoBanana.AI. So this is the one. Once you're there, look at your top right corner and there you can see 3 split lines. Simply tap on it and that will provide you an option called sign in. That's right over here. Let's tap on it. And here you will be provided 2 options: Google login, email sign in, or continue with Google. I do prefer continue with the Google. Let's tap on it and choose your email account. Allow NanoBanana to access this info, that is your username and email address. Tap on continue and wait for a while. And as you can see, I have already signed up. And there you have it. Your NanoBanana.AI account is now ready to go. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.